Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have a genuine LG OEM drain pump. So this pump helps with all your draining issues of your LG wash machines. So this is the LG wash machines that I have. These are the direct dry steam. So the pump on this one is at the bottom and the front. So if you're having any noise coming out of here, make sure you check this little round thing to see if it's clogged up. If it is not clogged up, then 99% of the chance that it is needing replacement. So we're just going to go ahead and replace it with the filter that I am showing you. So this is the direct dry. This tells you here how to drain it if you're having issues. So right here, I did get the purchase from Amazon. It is the LG 4681EA2001T. This is the genuine OEM from LG themselves. So right now I'm just replacing my old drain pump as the other one went out. Like I said, this is the Drain Pump OEM. This comes directly from the LG store on Amazon. So it is brand new. You can see that it is really nice. This is high quality. The wash machine drain pump assembly manufactured with premium materials for durability and exact fit to be sure to follow the instructions. So when you install this, make sure you install it by your owner's manual, or if you have somebody do it, they can put this in by your owner's manual. So the purpose of this is it removes water from the washer during the drain portion of the cycle. So in my case, it was not draining and I was getting an OE error message. So what I did in time for me to get this product is I actually ran a tube from the front of it to drain it out. So now that I have it replaced, this right here, you just plug into the power port in the bottom of your wash machine. So once this is replaced, you will no longer get that noise at the bottom. It sounds like crunching. In my case, it was really old, so I was looking for something that was the OEM factory, because I know they have a lot of them that are not OEM. But this one, as long as you get it on Amazon, is directly an OEM manufactured part. You can see everything looks just like the original one that came on my wash machine when I purchased it. This spins like it normally spins. Then you've got the coil at the bottom. This right here tells you the brand. So if you get this ASKOLL, you know that is genuine OEM. If it's a different brand, it is definitely not OEM, but this one is. So make sure you check the product information on the side of it to make sure that you are getting the genuine OEM so they can last longer. Mine last me about 6.5 years. So with good washing, you should be able to get about 6 years. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off my other one, which is the old version. I'm going to show you what my old version looks like and then refer it to the new one to show you that this is a genuine product from LG. Alright, so as you can see, this is a used one. This is the one that I pulled off my washing machine. This is the factory one that I got when I first purchased my machines 6 years ago. You can see that it is not working no more. It's got a lot of rust, and they do have a little bit of crackage inside. But if you compare the other version that I got, which I purchased here on Amazon, is the exact same one. So this is the manufactured by LG. And then you've got your little information here at the bottom to verify that this is the OEM that came with my wash machine. It should say the same thing on the one that you purchased here on Amazon. Everything looks completely the same. And then you can see right here, here is the OEM that I just purchased. It's the exact same thing. So if you get it from this brand here, I would definitely recommend picking this one up because this one's the OEM. You do not want to go with the third party because usually third party ones don't last as long as the OEM. So this is the replacement for all the LG front loading washing machines.